tonight across
Death
Texas
Valley,
and
California,
Louisiana.
wildfire turned insane on Sunday, reaching the 100.
Every day, you make some impact on the world. The question is, how? Why? For who? If you could see the impact of the sum of your actions, what would you change right now? At Empire, we've empowered thousands of people to make a positive change by helping them, one by one, switch to solar. The lifetime impact of all the clean energy those little panels will produce on their homes and businesses is no small thing. It's the equivalent of saving 39 billion pounds of coal, which would fill enough railroad cars to span from Mexico to Canada. It's the same carbon offset as planting 939 million trees. And we're just getting started. This is our impact. It's made one solar panel at a time, one relationship at a time. Join us and make your impact with Empire.